how to do the swipe photo on TikTok if it's not working. I will tell you how to fix this. Let's say you are on your TikTok and want to upload some photos. And as you can see here, I have a swipe function here. And if this is not working for you, I will now show you the fix. The first thing you want to do is to go to your profile, and then you want to go to the hamburger symbol up in the top right corner. And from here you want to tap settings and privacy. And inside here you want to scroll down to free up space. And inside here you want to clear the cache and you want to clear the downloads. And then you want to go to your settings, and then you want to tap general, and then you want to tap iPhone storage, and then you want to find the TikTok app. And inside here you want to tap offload app, and then you want to tap offload app again, and then tap reinstall app. And on Android you just clear the cache and reinstall the app. So this is how you fix the swipe photo on TikTok if it's not working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.